Okay, so today I'm going to try to explain to you guys how to play the intro for Future Days as played by Joel in The Last of Us Part 2. I'm going to try to do it from this camera angle. Hopefully you guys can kind of understand what I'm trying to get at. I'm going to play it once or twice slowly so you guys can get an idea of what I'm doing. And then I'm going to be a little bit more, or give some description as to what I'm doing. So let me play it once for you guys slow. By the way, keep on the 3rd fret. Doesn't really matter where, but that's where Joel has it. And then you have your fingers in the position for the C chord. Okay. Sorry. One more time. So what you're going to do is you're going to strum it. Very first thing, simplest thing, strum it. Then you go with your index finger, 1st string, 1st fret. You're going to play it and let it go. Let it resonate. And then you're going to go with your pinky finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. After you play, go with your 1st finger, your index finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. And then after that, you're going to lift these 2 fingers. So you can get in this position. So you're going to drop them each one a string. And then and as you're doing that, you're going to play the 3rd string. And then you're going to hammer on with the middle finger. And as you do that, your ring finger should land on the 4th string, 3rd fret. Obviously your middle finger should be on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. I think I said that right, yeah. And then like I said, the ring finger on the 4th string, 3rd fret. As you do that, you do the hammer on, like I said. And then you hit the 2nd string, which ends that part. And then you're going to hit the 3rd string again. And you're going to basically do this. You're going to hammer it on again, like that. But as you do that, in that time when you have it up in the air, you're going to actually strum it, so like that. And as soon as you put it back down, sorry for the train, you're immediately going to strum or hit both the 2nd string and the 3rd string. You're going to alternate. So like that. So when you have it here, you hit it. Like that. So you're going to hit it again, hammer on. And as soon as you put it back down, 2nd and 3rd. Lift them up again to go back to the original position, to the C position. That's when you hit it again while it's open, and then you finish it off with the strum. So let me see if you guys can get a bit of a idea of how I do it with if you can see my fingers here. No, sorry, with the 2nd string. I guess you could do that too, depends on what you want. And then after that, hit the 3rd. Hope that makes sense. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. If you listen to the video and you see his fingers, you could probably figure it out on your own, just how I did, except this is from a way better angle than how I saw it in the video. It's actually, really accurate how they play it. And then for the final, for the end, or one of the transitions before the end. I forgot how the lyrics go, but basically you simply go 3rd, you go 5th, 4th, 2nd. That's all you do as you alternate between C. I believe this is like C, B, C, A or something, and then A minor. So you simply go like this. So 5th, 4th, 2nd, 5th, 5th, 4th, 2nd, 5th, 4th, 2nd. That's all you do, and then you just hit it once, all together, and then you go back to F. And then this is for the end. So for the end, you're simply gonna go 5th, so 5th, 4th, then 3rd, or actually no, 5th, 4th, 2nd, and then you hit the 3rd, and then you hit the sorry. Okay, got it. So you hit the 5th, 4th, 2nd, then hit the 3rd, and then you hit the third string. And before you hit the 3rd one again, or actually I meant the 4th, you're going to put this finger down right here. So basically it'll be like this: 4th or 5th, 4th, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and then 3rd again with this finger right here. And then after that you switch immediately back to F, and then you simply start playing down from the 4th string. You just play down like that, and then you just play between these three. You kind of just do a circle. So, and then 2nd, 3rd, like that. Let it resonate. And then for the chord, it's pretty much just a C chord, and you just strum it once with your thumb. You go down, up, and then you take off your index finger, and then again down, up. So that's as close as I could get it to how they play it. I don't think that's the actual chord. I actually don't know what they play. It's just the best thing, or the closest thing that I could get to what he was playing. Other than that, I hope that's somewhat clear. I'm not really good at this, but I hope it helps. I'll try to, if anything, I'll try to write the tabs or something, and I might link them in the description. But yeah, I hope this helps for anybody that wants to play it. It took me a good amount of time. I want to say maybe like 2 days to get it down exactly how we played it. I wouldn't say it's completely accurate, but I think it's fairly accurate. I actually really like how they played it in the game. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope that helps. Thanks. See you guys later.